honestly think that this is the worst time to do a video because it's like 11:22 p.m. and I am kind of sleepy, but I have to talk about it kasi natapos ko na yung script and I just can't stop thinking about it. And I might as well talk about it, right? Okay, excuse how I look. I just put on some really light lipstick on. I am gonna add some light. Wait a minute. Sabi ko hindi ako mag-add ng light eh, pero parang ang dark kasi. Okay, so what are we gonna talk about? Chikahan tayo, guys, kasi it's another P-pop chikahan if you have not seen the title and also yung intro na ginawa ko in like 10 minutes sa Canva. Actually, we are gonna talk about one of the mysteries that I have been thinking of, and it's yung question na nag-disband na ba yung Litz. So, just a quick recap. First, a little intro about Litz. It's under Viva. So, it's mostly when Alamat came to debut, they were next, or sino yung nauna sa kanila. I am kind of sure it was Alamat, pero I could be wrong. So they came from Viva Entertainment, so they introduced them and also debuted them on the year of 2022, last year, specifically March 8, 2022. So before that, before they debuted, they released yung parang pre-debut music video, yung Natataranta. Yung Natataranta is like a song from James Reid sang that song way before, tapos they revived it in their own flavor, ganon. And to be honest, it was such a good rendition. Nagustuhan ko yung energy ng girls and also how they were. Kasi with Viva, I am sure with Viva, they have a lot of good, yung kanilang song department, yung kanilang music department, it's always slaps. So basically, yun. Nagliko ako. Basically, ganon. So, they were introduced a little bit to the P-pop scene, to the growing P-pop scene. So first of all, when they debuted, these girls, may kanilang sub-fandom na. So some of these girls were YouTubers. I think Heart has a YouTube. Yumi also had a fan base. Tapos, kasi makikita mo when Viva released yung mga pictures nila, may fans agad sa kanila. So people already knew them, kind of. So, yun, may influencers sa kanila, may YouTubers sa kanila, may from, na sila, like, they had solo music videos before rin. So, at that point, sabi ko that they kind of had the advantage kung tutusin, if you think about it, really, I look really bad, do I? Pero like, it's night, leave me alone. Tapos, so let's circle back to where I noticed na nagsuslow down na yung Litz. So, to be honest, it was a little wonky at the start. Kasi yung alleged, para hindi ako makasuhan in the future, yung alleged na scandal sa isang member nila. Kasi makikita mo na sa music video nila that there would be actual replies or comments sa video about yung scandal. Kung sa tweet naman, may actual mga nagtitweet ng parang nagsispam sa mga post about yung scandal nga ng isang member nila, yung alleged scandal ng isang member nila. So, after a few months, after nilang after a few months, Yumi left the group. And honestly, sa heart ko nun, I was thinking na, okay, it might be the best for her and the best for the group. Kasi I don't think getting hate a lot, tapos being in the limelight because of the alleged scandal is like good for her mentally, ganon. If I was in her place, I would probably also leave the group. Tapos yung group rin, I think it would have been the best sa group kasi image-wise, yun lang. I think it was also best for them. Pero at the top of it, I think it was best for herself. So after a few months of that, I think, Litz held on well kasi they went to certain events. Tapos, also, of course, they had like a very big portion sa Tugatog na stage. If you have seen the Tugatog stage, I love their stage so much kasi they prepared a lot. Tapos, kung tutusin nyo guys, yung mga kanta ng Litz are good. Yung kanta na from Viva mostly are really very P-pop. If you like think about it, it's very P-pop. Tagalog, good songs, good production, ganon. So after Yumi left, then Tugatog, then everything else, they were steady. Pero they also slowed down. So yun yung na-notice ko kasi when they were debuting and all of that, they made a lot of TikToks, ganon. And now, around January, ngayong January, kasi January ngayon, I noticed yung inactivity nila. So first I checked their Twitter, and then yung kanilang Instagram, and then yung kanilang TikTok. And yung maraming evidence na nagsusupport na hindi na sila nag-update nang I would think that they disband kasi wala nang updates. And what's worse is yung my individual Twitter, yung girls, and when they debuted, they changed the username to yung parang sa unahan ng kanilang username there would be Litz underscore, example, Bianca Litz underscore heart, ganon. Pero ngayon, they changed their Twitter na username. And like, wala nang thing that would associate them to the group. I am so worried, and if that is like not the biggest evidence that they might have been disbanded secretly and quietly, then I don't know. I think they just stopped. And if they did, I would be so sad. Kasi the potential was there. And yung individual sub-fandoms na the girls already had were supposed to be an advantage. And hindi ko alam anong nangyari. I think general, Viva does not know how to handle girl groups kasi ngayong P-pop gen. I don't know. So like, ano na? Like, are they actually disbanded? Kasi if they did, I would be mad and sad and just so like, okay, yun lang yung masasabi ko, and yun lang yung parang like what gets me up thinking at night. Kasi yung mga October or mga December, they have been retweeting pa yung mga tweets kasi si Heart has a new movie with Tomas from Alamat. So they keep retweeting that in the official Litz na Twitter. So I was like, oh, okay, they're still kind of like active. Pero pagpunta ko sa mga individual Twitter ng girls, wala na talaga yung Litz na pangalan sa kanilang username. So I was thinking, oh, okay, is this the end of Litz? Have they disbanded? So so what do you think, guys? Do you think that they disbanded quietly and secretly? If they did, what is your reaction? Kasi ako nasasayangan talaga ako. Nasasayangan ako. Especially because they were you like, at that time, sila yung parang bagong P-pop girl group na naabutan ko, yung first ko na P-pop girl group na naabutan ko rin na nag-debut. And then this happened. Not a year even later. Oh well. So yun lang ang aking P-pop chikahan dito na video na to. Alam ko, this P-pop chikahan videos are like just out of nowhere. I should really put a schedule out of this kasi ang raming nangyayari sa Twitter if hindi nyo alam. Ang raming mga chika actually. So yun lang po ang aking video. I hope you guys enjoy this and pray and hope for the best for each of the girls from Litz, and I hope you stream their songs so Viva knows na they fucked up with that one. Okay, I will see you again next time.